Hello and welcome back to another job on the K100RS. Today I'm going to look at the quarter panels of the bike. Both sides of the bike have had the bottom brackets missing from the quarter panels from when I bought it. So that means that, as you would have seen in the beginning of the video, it flaps a lot when sitting on the bike and when moving and riding and what have you. So with a lot of help with my friend Chris, we've managed to put together some new replacement brackets, which I'll show you in just a second, and I'm going to try and put them on now and put them back on the bike. So let's go to it. Okay, so I'm all set up, got my quarter panels, got my new replacement brackets, got the glue, and most importantly, got my coffee and Monster. Oh yeah. So let me show you how these were made. Pretty cool, huh? So big thanks to Chris for putting those together with his 3D printer. And now let's see if I can get these onto here without any dramas. Let's go to it. Alright, there we go. There's one quarter panel safely secure and done, which is really good. Really pleased about that, and the bike is really starting to come together, as you can see. Really pleased. with that. There's tons of other stuff I want to do, and we'll be bringing that to you as soon as possible. But for now, that's it. On to the next task. Alright, it's another day and another task, and I'm going to take off that tank pad that's been on the bike since I've had it, and this is how I'm going to do it. And there we go, a lot better. Yeah, nice and easy. There's the tank pad that was on there, so we don't need that anymore. And that's another job done. Let's find another task and move on.